Hi everyone, it's Eric Lalas. Today we're gonna study the Mughal-Jogo variation of the two knights defense, where white brings his queen to f3 and pinning the pawn at c6. I'll be showing you two good replies for this variation. The first is h6, threatening the knight, knight to e4, knight to d5, knight to c3, or white can retreat his bishop to e4, bishop to e7, preparing to castle, d3, freeing the dark squared bishop, black castles, and then white castles, f5, threatening the knight, knight to g3, black develops this bishop, rook to e1, threatening the pawn at e5, bishop protects it, threatening the knight, bishop to d2, and queen to b6. Going back to knight to c3, challenging this knight, black will take the bishop instead, knight takes, bishop to b7, and not taking the knight with the queen, because by doing this you lose your queen with the check at f6, and so you should reply with the bishop to b7, knight to e3, moving it to safety, queen to d7, castle kingside, knight to c6, improving the knight, d3, castle queenside, c3, g6, a4, and then b4. The second way to deal with the Mughal-Jogo variation is to bring the rook to b8, attacking the bishop, has to go back to d3, or if he plans to take the pawn here, knight takes bishop, check, knight to d7, attacking the knight at g5, d3, protecting the knight, bishop to e7, giving more pressure on the knight, and preparing to castle kingside, knight to f3, bishop to b7, threatening the queen, queen to a4, castle kingside, knight to d2, knight to c5, threatening the queen, queen to g4, f5, queen to h3, e4, exchange, knight to e5, queen to d5, knight to c4, bishop to a6, b3, protecting the knight, e3, pawn takes. Now the f file is open, preventing white to castle kingside. Knight to e4, bishop to b2, bishop to c8, threatening the queen, g4, protecting it, and knight to f2, forking the queen and the rook, e4, queen to e6, saving his queen, and the knight captures the rook. Going back, right here, white moves his bishop to d3, bishop to d6, castle kingside, bishop to g4, threatening the queen, queen to g3, or if he moves his queen to e3, black continues to chase the queen with the knight, queen to g3, queen takes knight, f3, threatening the bishop, h5, pawn takes bishop, queen takes pawn, knight to c3, and check. Going back to queen to g3, black moves his bishop to c8, rook to e1, castle kingside, queen to h4, threatening the pawn at h7, h6, knight to e4, knight takes, queen takes, f5, queen to e3, and e4. This is a short study of the Bugul-Jowo variation of the two knights defense. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a nice day.